Happy New Year, and welcome to Crescent School's Lunar New Year presentation. 2022 is the year of the tiger, a symbol of strength and bravery. Crescent School has a long tradition of honoring the Lunar New Year, a significant cultural event celebrated by many families in our community. It is a holiday rich in customs relating to food, art, and performance. We are grateful to the families in this video who invited us into their homes to share their cultural traditions with us. The opportunity to learn from each other and celebrate our diversity is what makes us stronger as a community. May the new year bring you good health and good fortune. I hope you enjoy this presentation.
Congrats, we made it past 2021, a horrible year. And it's almost time for the Lunar New Year, which is the year of the tiger. If you were born in 2010, then congrats, this is your year. There are a lot of things families enjoy during this time, such as eating dumplings, giving red pockets, which are filled with money, and it's somewhat like our spring cleaning.
We do 剪纸, which translated means cut paper. This is an old tradition that now a lot of people just don't do. We gather up in a family and we find models to do. And we just go for it. This is an example of one we did. It is a traditional tiger design because, this year is the tiger, or next year I guess. Then we put it on our windows and voila, it's done. This is really fun and something to do with your family. Give it a try. Have a nice Lunar New Year's and thank you for listening.
People from Putian, a city on the southeastern coast of China, highly value the red rice bun, and it is vital to celebratory times like weddings and holidays. It is red because red is a festive color that represents all forms of good luck in Chinese culture, from more joy to greater fortunes. The bun's roundness symbolizes family reunions and happiness. The bun is sweet and it can be preserved for a long time, up to more than 20 days if it is heated regularly. This was especially important in ancient times when people did not have much to harvest for food near the Chinese New Year's festival because it is in the winter. The Chinese word for rice cake is a homonym for the words year and high, so the sticky rice cake symbolizes an increased prosperity for the new year. Both the red rice bun and the rice cake are must-haves for Chinese New Year celebrations. By making these lucky foods with my family, we wish all of you a happy Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year is one of the most celebrated festivals in China. In tradition, families reunite and have dinner together. Shaoxing, being a charming and artful city with its long history, embeds its own cuisine. Today, I'd like to introduce a must-have dish in Shaoxing for this important New Year's dinner, the Shaoxing Three Delicacy Soup, which symbolizes family unity. So, what are the three delicacies? Legend has it, during the Song dynasty, Emperor Gaozong of Song was burdened with work and had no appetite to eat. He once visited a landlord in Shaoxing. The in-house chef Li made a dish that combines pork meatballs, the ground, fish balls, the water, and yue chicken soup, the air, along with many other ingredients. The emperor loved it very much and granted the name Shao Sanxian, which translates to Shaoxing Three Delicacy Soup. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuhong from 7C, and today we will be cooking steamed fish. We are doing this because in Chinese culture, the Chinese character yu, also known as fish in English, also means surplus, and we believe the more you have this year, the more you'll have next year. First you cut the fish twice on both sides, and then you put some sugar on the inside of the fish and all around the fish. After that, you put the the white part of the spring onion and ginger inside the cuts. After that, you put the fish on this aluminum plate here, wrap it in aluminum foil, and you can put it in the oven. Now you put it in the oven preheated to 450 degrees for 20 minutes.
2,000 years later.
After the fish has finished baking for 20 minutes in the oven, you take it out and remove the tin foil on top. After that, you add some of the green part on the spring onion onto the fish, then add the sweet soy sauce for seafood, which will make it taste really good. And after you're done adding the soy sauce, you get some sizzling hot oil and pour it on. Make sure to be careful, it is really hot. The head of the fish takes a little bit longer to cook, so you might want to pour some more oil on that part.
Nice.
And that's how you make some delicious steamed fish. Make sure to leave some left for tomorrow to show surplus. Happy Lunar New Year.
Hello everybody, my name is Roland and I will be playing a piece for you called Xing Chun Le, which directly translates into the happiness of the Spring Festival. So, when Spring Festival comes, you will hear this literally anywhere you go in China, whether it be on the streets or in a shopping mall, even in your own house, right? When you hear this piece, you know that Spring Festival is happening.
"2022 begins a new year of the tiger. As you may or may not know, 12 years ago was the previous year of the tiger. I am not sure if you remember where you were 12 years ago at this time. However, I still remember the sounds of the Kongzhu whistling during the Spring Festival. Kongzhu, or also known as the Diablo, is made of China's signature plant, bamboo. It's normally played as a toy during Spring Festivals, and it dates back to more than 1,000 years ago. The Kongzhu is controlled by two sticks attached by a string. Because the Kongzhu itself is not attached by the string, it can be tossed from player to player. Also, depending on the speed of the Kongzhu, it can whistle to make different sounds. There are more than 1,000 ways to control the Kongzhu. This is a short performance of the Kongzhu by my father.
Welcome all. You may have heard that the Lunar New Year in 2022 is designated as the Year of the Tiger. Known for their strength and bravery in the Chinese zodiac, this is the year to celebrate all tigers. We begin our journey on the last day of Lunar New Year, the Lantern Festival. This occasion occurs on the first moon, which is February 15th of this year. Making paper tiger lanterns together with grade 6 friends online can be a new way to get ready for the celebration. Usually, these lanterns are colored red or gold to symbolize joy, celebration, and prosperity. We can see here that our friends in grade 6 are busy creating decorations for the upcoming celebration. Lanterns also represent a turning point, a farewell to the past, and a chance to embrace new opportunities in 2022. Continuing on our journey, we learn a bit more about dumplings. Dumplings are the staple for any New Year's feast. In Chinese culture, dumplings signify wealth, togetherness, and completeness. It is said that eating dumplings would increase the family teamwork and the family togetherness in the months to come. Even though we are apart due to the ongoing pandemic, truly we are together, learning, celebrating, and enjoying the festive tradition. Happy New Year, and of course, we wish everyone a happy 2022, the Year of the Tiger.
Hello everyone. Dumpling is a traditional food eaten in China. But do you know why dumplings are eaten on New Year's Day? First, it is customary to eat dumplings after worship. Dumpling is a homonym for Chinese word 饺子, which means the transition from the old to the new. People hope to have good luck in the new year. Second, dumplings are shaped like gold ingots, meaning wealth, so people hope to get more money in the new year. Third, the dumpling stuffing is made using many kinds of ingredients, so it is very delicious and has rich nutrition for our body. People hope to get stronger in the new year. Chinese New Year is coming. We make colorful dumplings at home. I enjoy making and eating dumplings. Do you? Happy New Year and all the best to you!
Hello there, I'm Matt Gu from 5K, and today me and my mom are going to play this piano song called Me, My Country, and My People.